Hello friends! Welcome back to the channel. We're truly happy to see you again. Today, we're going to talk about one of the legends of the automotive world. This is none other than the leader of classic luxury cars, the Mercedes-Benz W126. If you're ready, let's begin. The Mercedes-Benz W126 is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of engineering, design, and prestige. In this video, we'll explore its history, technical features, and how it became popular across the globe. The W126 was first introduced in 1979 as part of the iconic S-Class lineup. It was not only built to look elegant, but also to set new standards in safety, driving comfort, and innovation. With its aerodynamic shape and advanced technology for its time, it quickly became one of the most admired vehicles of its era. Soon, it found its place among world leaders, business executives, and celebrities. The W126 came with a range of powerful engines, from inline six-cylinder engines to robust V8 versions. Equipped with anti-lock braking systems, airbags, and a highly developed suspension system, this car was both safe and incredibly comfortable. Its driving experience was considered one of the finest of its generation. The W126 wasn't just popular in Germany. It was highly appreciated in many parts of the world, especially in the United States, the Middle East, and Africa. With over 800,000 units sold globally, it became one of the most successful S-Class models in Mercedes-Benz history. If you're a fan of classic cars and want to learn more about legendary models like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And in the comments section, let us know what you think about this beast. Do you believe the Mercedes W126 still holds its value today? Have you ever seen it, driven it, or dreamed of owning one? Let's now take a closer look at the technical specifications and design features of the legendary Mercedes-Benz W126. In terms of design, the W126 reflects timeless elegance and classic luxury. Its aerodynamic body, chrome details, and smooth lines created a strong visual presence on the road. The vehicle's structure was carefully designed not just for aesthetics, but also for enhanced safety and performance. Under the hood, the W126 came with a variety of engine options. Engine displacement ranged from 2.8 liters in the six-cylinder versions to 5.6 liters in the top-of-the-line V8 models. Horsepower output varied depending on the engine type, starting from around 130 horsepower and going up to nearly 300 horsepower in the powerful 560 SEL version. In terms of acceleration, some versions of the W126 could go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 7-point bar rate. 2 seconds, impressive for a luxury sedan of its time. Fuel consumption also varied depending on the engine and driving style. On average, the W126 consumed around 10 to 13 liters per 100 kilometers. As for fuel types, it primarily used gasoline, specifically unleaded petrol in later models. The car's weight ranged from around 1,500 kilograms to nearly 1,750 kilograms, depending on the engine and equipment. The total length of the vehicle was approximately 5 meters, or more precisely, around 4,990 millimeters. Its ground clearance was roughly 140 millimeters, providing both stability and a comfortable ride, even on uneven roads. The wheels of the W126 were designed to balance performance and comfort. Most models featured 14 or 15-inch alloy wheels with strong sidewalls, which helped absorb shocks and ensured smooth handling. The steering angle of the front wheels allowed for an excellent turning radius, making this large sedan surprisingly easy to maneuver. Inside, the car comfortably seated 5 passengers, with spacious legroom both in the front and the rear. The trunk offered generous cargo capacity, up to 505 liters, enough for luggage, tools, or even long-distance travel. Let's explore the key physical and functional specifications of the Mercedes-Benz W126. The weight of the vehicle ranges between 1,500 and 1,750 kilograms, depending on the engine variant and trim level. Its total length is approximately 4,990 millimeters, which is about 5 meters. The width of the W126 is around 1,820 millimeters, offering a spacious and stable stance on the road. The ground clearance is roughly 140 millimeters, which ensures a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining a balanced center of gravity for better control. As for the wheels, they were designed to provide both durability and comfort. The W126 came with 14 or 15-inch alloy wheels, which absorbed road shocks efficiently and enhanced driving stability. The turning angle of the front wheels was optimized to give the car an excellent turning radius. This made maneuvering the large sedan much easier, especially in city traffic or tight parking spaces. The seating capacity of the vehicle is 5, with a well-designed interior that offers generous space for both front and rear passengers. In terms of cargo space, the trunk has a volume of approximately 505 liters, which is more than enough for luggage, groceries, or long-distance travel gear. Compared to other luxury sedans of its era, such as the BMW 7 Series or the Audi Tubers, the Mercedes-Benz W126 stood out for its balanced proportions and exceptional build quality. Its length and width gave it a commanding presence on the road. Yet, thanks to its carefully engineered turning radius and suspension setup, it was easier to handle than many of its competitors in tight urban spaces. The relatively low ground clearance contributed to superior aerodynamics and stability at higher speeds, while still offering enough clearance for uneven roads and daily driving. When it came to cargo space, the 505-liter trunk of the W126 surpassed many of its rivals, making it not only luxurious, but also highly practical. Inside, the 5-seat configuration provided more legroom and headroom than most luxury sedans in the same category. Rear passengers, in particular, enjoyed an especially comfortable ride, a key reason why this model became a favorite among diplomats, executives, and world leaders. The wheel design and suspension system also played a major role in enhancing ride quality. Its tires absorbed shocks smoothly, and the steering system responded precisely, giving drivers a sense of full control and comfort, even on long journeys. In summary, the Mercedes-Benz W126 wasn't just about style and power. It offered a well-rounded driving experience with class-leading space, comfort, and stability. So friends, today we took a journey through the history, power, and elegance of the legendary Mercedes-Benz W126, a car that not only ruled the roads but also won hearts around the world. Its timeless design, advanced engineering, and unmatched comfort made it more than just a vehicle. It became a true symbol of luxury and excellence. Whether you've seen one on the road or had the chance to sit behind the wheel, this classic leaves a lasting impression. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments. What do you think about the W126? Would you drive one today? Or do you have memories connected to this legendary machine? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Trend Auto World, for more exciting and nostalgic stories from the world of cars. Thanks for being with us, and stay tuned for our next ride into automotive greatness.